Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to create 3D motion graphics on the topic of fintech. But I will not use Blender and After Effects for this. With just 5 steps, I will create full 3D animation with using only Lovart AI. Let's get started. So guys, first one, let me show official website lovart.ai, and we can see chat for working with AI agent. And also we can see recent projects here, and I can see my old projects here, and items for inspiration, and this created by Lovart. So what we can do with Lovart? We can create brandings, we can make posters and ads, also illustrations and UI layouts, character designs for game, for animation and for designs, video storyboards and product designs, and also architecture designs. So today we'll focus to create 3D motion graphics with Lovart. So first one, go to chat and let's paste here first prompt. Okay, also we can generate prompts with Lovart. We don't need ChatGPT or Gemini. So first one, I will generate image. And we can see GPT Image 2, Seedance 2.0, Nano Banana Pro, designs, branding, e-commerce and video. Let's choose GPT Image 2. And also we can choose any templates here. And let's click models. We have image models, GPT Image, Nano Banana, Seedance, Luma and video models, Seedance, again Kling, Van, Vio and 3D. We can create 3D models with Tripo. Okay, back to image, and I will choose here GPT Image 2. Let's turn off auto. Okay, so let's click send, and we can see canvas here. We can work with canvas, this very useful board for working with tasks, with designs and videos. And here you go, first 3D illustrations is ready. Okay, so I will test something interesting. Let's choose this image and hold Alt, move to left for duplicate. And let's move to left like this. Okay, we have some tools here. Quick edit, upscale, remove background, erase, edit elements, edit text, multi-angles, and move object, and mockup, expand, and crop vector and other effects. Also we have tools here, mark, upload image, video, and grid, and shape layers, draft, pencil. So first one, let's go to multi-angle. Let's click here and we can choose subject. We can change subject like this. Let's change like this. Okay, and camera. Let's move to up like this camera for up to down view and click run. Okay, here we go. It's down and we can see angle change like this. That's very good. So the next feature, move object. Let's select image and move object, and let's choose this bank card and move to center. Then click run. Okay, here we go. Let's see difference. Okay, it works. That's very cool. And let's choose this image and go to edit text. So we have 3 editable texts, this dollar icon. Let's change this symbol euro. And this percent, let's change this to %. And again dollar, let's add here euro and run. So it works and we can see difference 2% and here, and these icons and also these elements has been changed. So my another favorite feature, choose this image and expand. We can change aspect ratio. We can choose preset here for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and let's choose 9:16. We can see new sizes here and run. Okay, here we go. It's done and we can see fully seen here with expand feature. This is very cool and neatly feature. So let's talk about these tools. First mark, let's choose this character and we can right here change color blue to red. And let's send. Okay, cool. This color has been changed. Also, I was add here new text. Change blue jacket to red color. Only left side character jacket. and here is the results. That's very cool. Also, we can change all elements, all background items and characters. Next feature, shapes. We can create rectangle shape layers and lines like this, and ellipse tools and pen tool. We can write here and sync here with pen tool and text, also image generator, video generator and font generator. We can use this font generator for create exclusively font for use. This is perfect choice for creating new brands. That's very cool. So in this time, let's go to chat and write make video with this image for 3D motion graphics, and choose here and go to video and Seedance 2.0, and let's click send. And generating video using Seedance, let's wait for result. Okay, video is done and let's see. Okay, not bad. But let's write chat. Please make also character animation in this scene. For example, I blink, mount talking, hand body moving, and again let's choose here Seedance 2 and send. Okay, let's wait for result. Okay, next video is done. Let's see. Very nice. And here we go. Character animation, object elements. Very good. That's what I need. So let's zoom out and choose this video. Let's remove. I like this version. And let's move to left. And now let's create image 2. Let's write here prompt and go to model, image, and choose GPT image 2 and send. Okay, second image is done. Let's zoom to like this, and we can see again 3 characters here, 1 main character here, and coffee shop. Okay, and now let's go to again models, enable Seedance 2, and turn off GPT image 2, and now we can see which AI model is available for now. And let's write here make video 3D motion graphics style for this image, animate characters, elements, camera movement. Okay, and let's send. Okay, let's wait for results. Let's move to here. Okay, second video is done. Let's zoom to for C. Okay, very nice. Character animations, item elements, and these backside characters, and these elements rotation, and smokes. That's very good. I love it. And now let's generate the last scene. Go to again chat and let's paste here prompt and agent. Let's turn off Seedance, go to image, choose GPT image 2 and send. And image has been generated. Let's move to up and let's see details. Okay, these cars, income, and elements, big coffee shop, and main character. Okay, let's write here generate a video like in 3D motion graphics, character animation, car drive and lighting, background elements, background characters, and other. And go to video model, choose Seedance to 0 point and turn off GPT image and send. Okay, let's wait for last video result. Okay, the last video is done and let's move to here and let's zoom to for C video. Very nice. Very good. We can see details for background car character on the back side and these elements, rotations, animation, and this main character, face expressions, and this lighting. Very good, very professional and very clean. So it works for create full fintech animation. So guys, why I love work with canvas? Because we can move to here these elements, and let's go to text and let's write here scene 1 and font size, let's choose like this and hold alt, let's duplicate, write scene 2, again hold alt, duplicate and write 3. So for work smart we can use all of them, these elements with canvas. So guys, for finally I'm gonna try something interesting. Let's go to agent and choose video gen, and let's image, select from canvas, and let's select this image, and also again click image, select from canvas, choose scene 2, and again image from canvas. Also we can put video and audio. And now let's write here prompt, create dynamic 3D motion graphics animation with these 3 scenes. Make smart and beautiful scene transitions. And let's click the settings, choose aspect ratio 19:6, resolution let's choose full HD, duration let's choose 8 seconds, audio okay, and I will use Seedance for this create animation and send. Okay, let's wait for results. So guys, it's done, and let's see full 3D motion graphic animation. Okay, really, I have no words. It's so professional, so clean, it works real bank, fintech and other business. So this is forecast sizes, and we can click this button for get this video, or also upscale, remove background, remix and other features. So guys, I will add link on description below, you can check out now, and thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.